Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So I am here at the Adams Racetrack in Riverside, California for the annual Vintage Go-Kart Meet. What I'm going to do is walk you down pit row here. These guys are here having an absolute great time. These guys are here to race. Some of them sell stuff, swap stories. They pretty much come from all over the nation. They bring their pit crews, they bring their carts. This is some really, really exciting stuff. If you've never been out to see something like this, it is just fabulous. So I came out here to buy some carts to offer to my customers. I bought 6 carts out here, which I'll be offering. All race ready, all ready to go. This is just an absolute ball. You guys should get involved in it, or at least buy one and put it in your nice car showroom. You'll be surprised how many looks and how much attention the cart will get. Anyway, we'll shoot you up on this video. Thanks for watching. Hey folks, how you doing today? So continuing with our go-kart series, you know, I bought, I think, 7 of these, 2 I kept, 3 I listed, they're all gone. So I have 2 more which I will be listing, this being one of them. This is a 1964 all-new Lance go-kart from 1964. I have acquired the original sales brochure. This is all new because they came out with a torsion system. Because most of these are completely rigid frames, so they put a torsion system in this so you can get a little more sway out of it, okay? Super nice go-kart, 1964 Lance. What they did with this particular cart is, if you show them down here, most of these carts are really quite short, okay? If I try to get in those, these were really made for 10 and 12-year-olds, 15. However, I think probably the majority of racers in these were actually adults. If you go back and look at the photos or go to the racetrack, there's mostly adults in these. So they were pretty cramped in this cart. So what somebody did here was they extended this one 7 inches. So what happened was the pedals were right here, okay? And they added 7 inches onto the front of this. And I might say they did a really fine job. I have sat in the cart. I'm 5'9" tall. I am comfortable in it. They did a nice job. If anybody wanted to take it back to the way it was, you could. You just got to cut it and weld it there. All the parts are still there. But we have a 7-inch extension, not changing any of the steering wheel or any of the front tie rod here for the tires. 1964, this particular cart, the tension bars or the sway bars are in here. You can see this, which you will see they show in this original literature. This cart did come as a dual engine cart, which is really super cool. I bought this cart at the racetrack. It was running. So it was running when I bought it. I could have drove it. However, I was really busy running around buying carts, so I didn't get a chance to drive it. But the guy's like, get in and go. Not right now, I'm busy. So once again, this was a dual platform, dual engine cart. It's sitting now with one Mac, I believe it's a Mac 9 on it. But you have a second platform here. You have a second hub for your sprocket. So if you wanted to go to a dual engine, just buy another Mac 9, this thing's ready to go. It's pretty much almost bolt and go. The gas tank does have dual fuel lines. One of them is clearly off right now, and the fuel is running only to this motor, but it has a second fuel line in it. This cart also has dual heavy-duty disc brakes in the rear here, which most of them, and some of the early ones, they only had a drum brake. But then we went into a little later here. Now we got dual disc brakes. Nice chrome platform. If it was me and I bought this cart, I would probably go for the second motor because you're going to get something that looks like that. Okay. It's got dual master cylinders here for the dual. Okay, nice wheels and tires on it. This is basically ready to run. This is a super, super nice cart. 1964 Lance. 30, you get the original miniature, as well as I am including a unmarked trophy, which ironically happens to match the cart, unmarked, so you can put first place, whatever, put your name on it. That will come with it as well. So once again, let me look here, 1964 Lance, new, latest and greatest dual engine cart. So once again, I'd probably get another map and put it on there. It's super cool. Even if you're just set in your garage, naturally, as a beautiful decorator piece. Just a great piece, and as always, if you buy this, we'll take it next door. We will get it crated and have it shipped directly to your home. They'll either put it in your driveway or in your garage. You unbox it, take it out, put it where you want it. And as always, we appreciate y'all watching our videos. So put us on watch. We come up with a lot of really great things. You'll see it real time, and ironically, when we do these videos, first it goes to YouTube, then it goes to eBay. We have a lot of customers who are watching us on YouTube and Instagram, okay? And they see the product before it hits eBay, and in many cases, stuff goes down the highway that never even hits eBay. So that's why you want to watch us. And I'd like to say thank you. Somebody's getting a really cool card here, and enjoy our videos. We've got a bunch of them out there, and thanks for watching today. I appreciate it. How you doing today? So we really want to tell you we appreciate you watching our videos. We've done about 1,600 of them to date, and you guys respond very nicely to it, and we really appreciate it. So if you like them, man, smash the subscribe button, right? Boom, hit the subscribe button and click on the reminder button, and if you do that, you will get reminded. There's a little bell there. Click on that. What we'd like you to do is make comments, and please make sure you share it with your friends. You guys are taking us to the top of the YouTube channel, and if you do those three things, you'll be able to see us real time, especially if you hit the bell to remind you. It'll come up every time on your phone. We try to do a lot of fun stuff for y'all, and we appreciate you watching our videos. So let's smash it, let's grab it, let's watch them, let's comment, let's send us comments, share it with your friends. If you do that, you'll take us to the top, and we would really appreciate it. Folks, so another exciting thing which has come to the Mantiques network is we did a little deal with the Suicide Doors. We put a link to their music on our videos. So if you push the link, you get to check out more of their music as though as we've got it in the background of our videos. Check it out. We're certainly enjoying it.
These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking bacon.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a
bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.